Homeownership strategies. The idea of owning a home has always been a big part of the American dream. It's a symbol of stability, independence, and having a place to truly call your own. But for Gen Z, the Zoomers born between 97 and 2012, making that dream a reality can feel like quite a challenge with today's higher mortgage rates and rising home prices. But achieving that goal of owning your first home can still be very attainable even today with strategic planning and resourcefulness. Explore your down payment assistance options. With rising prices all around you, it can be hard to save up for your home. If you've been struggling to stash away enough cash for that down payment, it's worth it to take a look at various down payment assistance programs that are out there. These programs can really help you save big on upfront closing costs of buying a home. There are a lot of options out there that you might not even realize. According to the Down Payment Assistance Resource, there are over 2,000 programs designed to help hopeful homebuyers with down payments and closing costs. If you qualify for one of these programs, you may not need to save up as much money for your down payment. As a local real estate agent, I can help you navigate and explore these programs in the area, making it much easier to turn your homeownership dream into a reality. Let's consider living with relatives to save. If you still need a bit more time to save, even with the down payment assistance programs out there, there are ways you can make that happen. Many savvy Zoomers have made a strategic choice to live with their relatives so they can get their savings goals even faster. According to the NAR, around 30% of the Gen Z homebuyers transition directly from their relative's home into a home of their own. By sharing living costs such as mortgage payments, utility bills, even grocery expenses, you can substantially reduce your monthly expenses, and this frees up more of your income to tackle any of your outstanding debt, boost your credit score, and reach your down payment target in less time. All of this can bring home ownership one step closer to becoming a reality. Claire Trapesso, the executive editor at Realtor.com, explains, faced with ongoing housing affordability issues, we're seeing parents and children become roommates again in later years as the kids save up to purchase their own place. The road of home ownership, when you're on the path to becoming a homeowner, it's a good idea to get some help along the way. And one of your best resources on this journey as a young home buyer is a trusted real estate agent to help you steer through the process of buying a home and help you find one that you can afford. The bottom line is, for Gen Z, the path to home ownership may not be very straightforward, but it's still very much within reach. With the right strategies, you can turn your dream of owning a home into a reality.